Looking for the best tactical knives that combine precision, strength, and reliability? You won't want to miss today's picks. Whether you're into EDC, survival, or outdoor adventures, these knives pack a punch. Let's dive in. Today we're looking at 5 of the best tactical knives in 2026. From EDC blades to multifunctional survival tools, I picked the best ones to keep you prepared and safe in any situation. Let's get started. First up, the 9070 pocket folding knife. If you need a tactical blade for self-defense or outdoor survival, this is a game changer. The D2 steel blade offers outstanding edge retention, while the non-slip fiberglass handle ensures a firm grip. The EDC functionality combined with its compact size makes it ideal for everyday carry. The only downside? It's an automatic blade, which means you'll need to check your local laws before carrying it in certain areas. But with its quick deployment, it's perfect for those who want quick, effective action when needed. It's a must-have for anyone serious about self-defense or tactical use. Next, let's look at a multi-purpose option. Looking for a knife that doubles as a practical tool for your DIY needs? The KLEIN tools. TK16 is perfect for cutting duckboards or insulation. The serrated stainless steel blade is sharp and ready for tough work. Plus, its fixed blade design with a sheath makes it easy to carry around. While it might not be the first choice for tactical defense, it's a solid choice for those who need something versatile around the house or for work. But if you're into compact knives, you'll love this next one, the ASR Tactical Micro Zipper. Folding knife is small but mighty. It's the perfect EDC tool for those who want something compact, lightweight, and reliable. Despite its smaller size, it packs a serious punch in terms of utility. Great for everyday tasks and emergency use, this knife is ready when you are. The foldable design makes it easy to carry around, and the durability of the blade ensures it's there when you need it. A true winner for urban survival or anyone looking for a handy, discreet knife. If you're after something with more edge and style, you won't want to miss this one is for you. The CIVIVI Amaroq is the knife you need. The 2.11-inch Nitro V blade offers top-notch sharpness and corrosion resistance, while the aluminum handle gives it a sleek, modern design. It's a great multi-tool knife, featuring a glass breaker for emergencies. This blade strikes a balance between elegance and functionality, whether you're using it for EDC or survival, or just want something that looks as good as it performs. The Amaroq is definitely one to consider. Finally, if you need a knife that can handle the roughest tasks, check this one out. The Kizer Quartz fixed blade knife is perfect for those who need a tough, reliable tool for camping, hunting, or hiking. With a 3.15-inch Tanto AEBL blade, it's designed for precision and durability. The olive green G10 handle provides a secure grip, while the 3D anti-slip jimping makes sure you won't lose hold even in wet or slippery conditions. The Kydex sheath ensures easy and safe storage. While it's not the most compact option, its rugged build makes it ideal for tougher outdoor environments. And if you want a well-rounded, reliable tactical knife for just about any situation, I'd recommend the 9070 pocket folding knife. It's an amazing mix of functionality, durability, and self-defense capabilities. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just want something solid for everyday carry, it checks all the boxes. All these knives are linked below in the description. Check out the latest prices on Amazon. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews. I drop new videos every week. Thanks for watching. And remember, the right tool can make all the difference. Stay prepared.